Hello, we're looking at problem number 4 in your Geometry Part 1 textbook found on page 159. This is lesson 3.3 about proving lines parallel. And in this particular picture, it says what is the value of x in which A would be parallel to B. Now we don't know A is parallel to B, but what they're saying is if it were, then this angle and this angle that is listed here, 2x plus 9 and 111, they are called same side interior. And if these lines are parallel, it means these would have to be supplementary. So if I make these supplementary to each other, then it's automatically going to make those lines parallel. And that's exactly what they did. Notice they added 2x plus 9 plus 11 equals 180, because that's what supplementary actually means. So they added these two together, set it equal to 180. If we can clean that up a little bit, that becomes 2x plus 120 because the 9 and 111 can go together. I'm going to subtract this 120 over to this side, so 180 minus 120 is going to leave me with 60. So 2x equals 60, and then of course divide both sides by this 2 here, and x comes out to be 30. Okay? Now, as we're working on the got it, what is the value of w for which C would be parallel to D? Well, based on where these are, this angle and this angle, these are considered to be corresponding angles. And for C and D to be parallel, the corresponding angles must be equal to each other. Not supplementary, but equal to each other. So I'm going to set the 3W, not plus, excuse me. Let me erase that. 3W minus 2 equal to 55. Then as we solve it, of course, I would add 2 to the other side. That's going to leave me with 3w equals 57. Then, of course, you're going to divide both sides by 3. This is just some basic algebra here. And then 57 divided by 3 ends up being 19. So in order for C to be parallel to D, then W has got to equal 19, because those two angles would have to be equal to each other, and the only number that's going to make that happen is if W is 19. All right, hope this was helpful.